Here is the slide, chapter number 2 of science, component of food. Now starting with food. What is food? Food is a basic requirement of all living organisms. सभी के लिए फूड जो है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. जिंदा रहने के लिए फूड बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है. Food provide nutrient to our body. Then what are nutrients? Nutrients are the components of food which are required for growth, development and wear and tear of body tissue. न्यूट्रिएंट क्या होते हैं? ये फूड से हमको मिलते हैं जिसकी वजह से हमारी बॉडी की ग्रोथ होती है, डेवलपमेंट होती है और हमारे बॉडी में जो भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आती है उसको हील करने में ये न्यूट्रिएंट्स मदद करते हैं. नाउ फूड कंटेन्स डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स which is also known as type of nutrient. फूड के अंदर कुछ कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं जिसको हम टाइप्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स भी कह सकते हैं. अब वन बाय वन हम इस कंपोनेंट्स को देखेंगे. व्हाट आर द वेरियस कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ फूड? द वेरियस कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ फूड्स आर कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, प्रोटीन्स, फैट्स, वाटर, फाइबर, vitamins and minerals. So let us see one by one. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main energy giving food. Carbohydrate found in our food are in the form of starch and sugar. For example, when we eat potato, we get carbohydrate in the form of starch because potato contains starch in it. There are two types of carbohydrate. One is in sugar form and second one is in starch form. From potato we get carbohydrate. From grains we are getting carbohydrate, and there are lot many examples through which you get carbohydrate. Now moving forward, fats. What are fats? Fats are also a energy giving food, but fats are giving more energy than carbohydrate. There are two sources through which we get fats. One is plant source and second one is animal source. Through plant source we get this fat in the form of oil like groundnut oil, coconut oil, soybean oil. From animal source we get fat in the form of meat, fish, ghee, butter, egg, etc. Proteins needed for the growth and repair our body. Protein is also known as bodybuilding food. We get protein from pulses, moons, meat, etc. Now vitamins. What are vitamins and minerals? Vitamins are protective food. Vitamins help in protecting our body against diseases. Vitamins also help in keeping our eyes, bones, teeth, gums healthy. Vitamins are of different kind known by different name, such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. There is a group of vitamin called vitamin B, which is known as B complex. When there is one group popularly known as vitamin B complex. Our body need all type of vitamin in small quantities. Now we will see some example how these vitamins are helpful to us. Vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes healthy. Vitamin C helps our body to find many diseases. Vitamin D help our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. These are some examples of vitamins. What vitamins doing in our body. Now water. What is the importance of water? Water helps in removal of waste product from our body. It is a medium for many biological reaction taking place in our body. Water regulates body temperature. Roughages. What are roughages? Roughages, it is also called dietary fibers. Roughages are mainly provided by plant products in our food. It does not provide any nutrient to our body, but still it is important component of our food and add it to its bulk. It helps our body to get rid of undigested food. Roughages we take in the form of whole grain, pulses, potatoes, boiled potatoes, fresh fruits and vegetables. In this form we consume roughages. Now what is diet? It is the amount of food taken by a person at a time. Diet is the amount of food taken by a person at a time. Now, what is meant by balanced diet? Balanced diet is the diet which contain all the nutrients in right amount and also have good amount of roughages and water. What is the importance of balanced diet? Balanced diet provide natural diseases prevention. It also helps in controlling weight, proper sleep without using sleeping pills. Balanced diet is important because it enables you to meet your nutritional need and enjoy higher overall quality of life. If we do not get nutrition in sufficient amount, what happens? When we do not get nutrition in sufficient amount, there is deficiency of some nutrient. The deficiency means what? Deficiency disease means what? The deficiency of any one or more nutrients food for a long time may cause certain diseases or disorder known as deficiency diseases. If for a long period of time you're not getting any nutrient for because of that lacuna, your body started facing some diseases or disorder. That disorder are called deficiency diseases.